Hello everyone. Now in this video I will give the hard words first and then I will read the story and explain you at the same time. In my last video I gave the summary. So children, get ready with your copies and note down these spellings. You have to write these spellings 3 times in your course copy. Number 1, annual, ANNUAL, annual. Number 2, uniforms, UNIFORMS, uniforms. Clapped, CLAPPED, clapped. Puppies, PUPPIES, puppies. Running, RUNNING, running. Canteen, CANTEEN, canteen. Laughed, LAUGHED, laughed. Screamed, SCREAMED, screamed. Whistled, WHISTLED, whistled. Number 10, suddenly, SUDDENLY, suddenly. Learn the spellings and write down 3 times in your course copies. Now we'll read the lesson. We'll start with the warm-up session. Here children, you have to take the qualities that you think make a good player. So a good player should be healthy, lazy, weak, fun-loving, friendly or team player. Take the qualities that you think that make a good player. It will be fun-loving, friendly and team player. Yes. So these are the qualities that make you a good player. Now I'll start reading. 1st November was an exciting day for Amy and Ray. So 1st November was the day, exciting day for Amy and Ray. Why? Because they had been waiting for this day for a long time. It was their annual sports day. There were games to play, races to run and prizes to win. So 1st November was the sports day in the Sparkle School, and this was an exciting day for Amy and Ray, who were the students in that school. It was exciting because there were many games to play, there were races to run and there were prizes to win. So it was an exciting day. The playground of Sparkle Primary School looked bright and colorful. The tents for the children and the parents were decorated with balloons. All the children looked smart in their white uniforms paired with colored ribbons. So the playground of the school was looking bright and colorful that day because it was sports day and the school was decorated with balloons, and the tents were made for the children and the parents to sit and watch the sports. All the children were looking very smart in their white uniform, and with the colored ribbon that they were wearing with the uniform. It was time for the games to begin. 6 children took their places for the lime and spoon race. The race started. The parents and the other children cheered and clapped loudly for the runners. So now the time was to begin the race. And the first race was lime and spoon race, in which children took their places and the race started. The parents and the children cheered and clapped loudly for the runners because they wanted to motivate them. They wanted to make them win. Then it was almost time for the sack race. Amy and Ray got up to take their place on the running track, but Ray could not find his sack anywhere. So after lime and spoon race finished, it was the turn of sack race in which Amy and Ray participated, and they got to their place. They got to take their place in the track. But what happened? Ray could not find the sack anywhere. So Ray could not get the sack. Amy ran to Miss Azmi. Ray can't find his sack, ma'am. How will he hop without it? So Amy was worried about Ray because Ray was not getting his sack. Amy ran to Miss Azmi and asked that, ma'am, Ray is not getting his sack. How will he run? How will he hop without the sack? Then Ray came running to Miss Azmi, ma'am. Look here. Those puppies are playing with my sack. They have made it dirty. Ma'am, please help me. I want to take part in this race, said Ray. Now Ray came to Miss Azmi and showed Miss Azmi that the puppies were playing with his sack and they have made the sack dirty. And he wanted to participate in this race, so he wanted ma'am to help him. We will get a sack from a school canteen. From the school canteen, Miss Azmi said. She called Harish, the sports assistant. Harish, get a sack from the canteen. Come back quickly. Now Miss Azmi called sports assistant and told him to bring a sack from the school canteen. So Harish ran to the canteen. Picked up a sack and rushed back. He was just in time. The sack race was about to begin. So the sport assistants went to the canteen, picked up the sack and came back running because the sack race was about to begin. So he rushed to the ground with the sack. Ray quickly got into the sack and took his position. As the race started, someone shouted, "Hey, brown bears, hop faster." Everybody laughed. The children looked like teddy bears in their brown sacks. Now, Ray got the sack and he quickly took his position. He get into that sack and took his place. And then someone shouted from the crowd, "Hey, brown bears, hop faster," because the children were looking like cute brown bears, cute teddy bears in their brown sacks. Suddenly Ray screamed, "A rat! There is a rat in my sack!" He dropped his sack and jumped out of it. Now suddenly Ray realized that something is inside his sack and he thought it must be a rat because it came from the canteen. So he thought that it must be a rat in his sack and he dropped his sack and jumped out of it. Miss Azmi whistled for the race to stop. There was silence. Harish quickly picked up the sack and checked it carefully. Then he burst out laughing. He turned the sack upside down and out fell 3 small purple brinjals. Now when Ray screamed that something is inside, that the rat is inside my sack, Miss Azmi stopped the race. Miss Azmi whistled and stopped the race, and there was silence. And then Harish, the sport assistant, came quickly to check the sack, and he started laughing. When he turned the sack upside down, he found there were 3 small purple brinjals inside the sack, and Ray shouted because of this only. He thought that there is rat inside the sack, but it was small brinjals. Everyone laughed loudly and the race began again. At the end of the races, the winners got their prizes. So, what happens at the end of the races? Everyone gets winners get the prizes. This also happened in the Sparkle School After the race finished, the winners were distributed, the prizes were distributed between the winners, and then it was time for the Sparkle Players song. The children stood in front of the parents and sang. Now it was the turn of Sparkle Players song. The school had a players song which was sung after the sports day. The children stand in front of the parents and they started singing the song, and the song goes like this. Races and games are truly fun. The important thing is everyone won. Though some come first and some come last, all the children have a blast. So be happy with your prize. You have got it for all your tries. So this is the song, which means that races and games are fun. They are for fun. The important thing is that everyone won. Though some come first and some come last, everyone cannot win. So some comes first and some comes last. But the main thing is that you have participated in the race. And all the children have a blast. All children had fun in games, in playing those games and participating in those races. The important thing is participating, and everyone cannot win. Some will come first and some will last, but most important is the participation and enjoyment. So be happy with your prize. You have got it for all your tries. So if you have got the prize, be happy because you have tried so hard to get that prize. On the way home, Amy and Ray said, "What fun it was. We should have sports day every month." So Amy and Ray, when they were on their way to their home, they thought that it was very fun. Today we enjoyed so much, and we wish that this sports day comes every month. Now that's a good idea, isn't it? So they both wanted to have this sports day every month because they enjoyed so much today in their school. They participated in race. They had so much fun with their friends. So here we come to the end of the lesson, where we learned that every player is a winner. Whether you win the prize or not, you participated, you enjoyed, that is your prize. That is the thing you won. So participating is winning. It doesn't matter whether you are coming first or coming last. You participated, you had fun. That is the most interesting thing. So we should enjoy everything, whether we lose, whether we win. We should enjoy our failure also and enjoy our success also. We should not be sad. We should be happy in every situation. Okay, children, I hope you have understood the lesson. Now you will get your assignments in parent portal. Complete those assignments, read the lesson 2 times and learn the spellings and write it down in your copies 3 times. Thank you.